Hello, my name's Gordon Thomson. I'm the Director of Commercial Infrastructure and Energy at Nottingham City Council. NCC is proud to be a leading carbon-aware council, and we've actively reduced our overall emissions to date by 50%. The government's national carbon neutral target is set at 2050, and we've set our target at 2028, which is less than a decade away. So what are the priority issues for the city relevant to the building industry? We'd like to see industry being proactive in addressing carbon and sustainability and include that in your everyday business. The three age-old metrics of quantity, quality and cost, we're looking to add carbon and sustainability into that decision making. So how can we interact and work with industry to best achieve these changes? We have a responsibility to our stakeholders, and we see ourselves in a leadership role to set our long-term goals and objectives for ourselves in the city. And we urge you all to take notice of what's happening, to develop a service that will help your own customers reduce their carbon footprint and ecological impact. So we're inviting all the partners within the city and regionally to link with us and join and share our aspirations. Carbon and sustainability needs to be inherent in everything we do. It is much easier to factor into design inception and planning stages rather than doing retrofit down the line. But retrofit and new build are equal priority for us. We also have target innovation funds that we can help offset some of the costs. For example, we have what's called N2EG funds, which is Nottinghamshire energy grants that can help businesses reduce carbon emissions and energy efficiency work. We've got rural electrification funds that equally do something similar but out in the conurbations. And we have an extremely proactive energy function that drives the energy agenda forward. So being proactive solutions is ultimately much easier and requires significant change in attitude and approach. But how can we make this change happen? This is most important. We'd like to embed, and we are embedding, carbon implications in everything that we do, in all our decisions, planning, procurement, strategy. All our activities will be weighted on cost and carbon. We understand that cost and carbon is a trade-off, and that reducing carbon comes at a cost. We know this. This is exactly why we're actively reaching out to all our partners now to try and help the way forward.